Hi everyone, so we're walking up to Cleethorpes town centre today. It's a bright day but quite cold. Yeah, come along and join us. That one. Nice one. This is where the mini railway line used to come up to. Don't anymore. Cool little geocache here. Well hidden. Okay, so we're walking around to the start of the boating lake. And it is full of geese and swans.
Oh, it's one thing that's scary.
Alright, oh no. Stay with me.
So there's a cache on one of these.
Okay, so now we're right at the top end of Cleethorpes where the leisure centre is and the big swimming pool. And we're going to walk around up to the pier. Okay folks, so that's the leisure centre down there, and then you have a few hotels dotted along the seafront, and then this is the way up to Cleethorpes centre and beachfront. This will be the location of the new lifeboat station they're building here. earlier. Nice parts. The square bit for Cleethorpes now. So we're up by our beach nightclub and the Dolphin. Pan over to it right, there's a putting green and Dolphin Gardens here. And pan around. Got the Pier Gardens. And then you got a few chip shops lined up here. And on the Seaway, which is always busy. We are actually going down the road here though to a restaurant that we love coming to called Steele's. So I'm going to show you fish and chips in Steele's because it's absolutely amazing. There's a blue sign here, big plaque. Got a guy called Freddie Flinton, entertainer. From 1908 to 1968, born in Grimsby and playing James in the short film Dinner for One. Shown on German television every New Year since 1963. This is Empire. So that's Maggie's. One of the better ones is down here. So Maggie's is actually pretty good, gets really good reviews. Oh look, now this is John Wesley, don't say about it. Cleethorpe.
Cleethorpe, isn't that where we... Or is that Cleethorpe?
So there's a little bit of history to this building here. This was a makeshift hospital during the Second World War and was at the centre of the 1854 Asiatic cholera epidemic. I didn't even see that until it just went past. It's not Mount Master. Mount Master's got that portion and moans about it all the time. Like a gang to come in. Sloping back, you see. Very nice. You know when we're 20 quid, 50, something like that. Nice. Okay, so this is the exterior of Steele's corner house. You can see why it's called the corner house, because it's on a corner. Make sure you book this in advance, as it gets fully booked up. This is the table we had downstairs in the restaurant. So we had fish and chips, and it comes with a pot of tea or a cup of coffee. I chose a pot of tea, and an absolute wonderful cup of tea it was. So you get bread and butter, and we bought some cokes to go with it. So the wife had a small fish, chips and peas. My son had 3 fish cakes, chips and beans, which were really nice. The daughter had chips and pizza. As strange as that sounds, she wanted pizza, that's in the kids' menu, and I had a medium fish, chips and mushy peas. Now I can tell you that this fish was absolutely cooked to perfection. So there's a bit of tartar sauce on there. I do apologise, I put some tartar sauce and a little bit of tomato sauce on, but yeah, the fish was cooked to absolute perfection, and the chips were really nice as well. So there's me devouring my fish. Absolutely excellent. Really recommend it. So I'll just quickly show you. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yep, so anyway, we're happy with that. Good fish. And then I'll just quickly show you the bill. So thought that was pretty reasonable. $14.65 for the medium fish and chips. And then just a quick look again outside. So that's it, guys. Meal at Steele's is making up for the time we didn't get to go when our house flooded. Yep, perfect meal again. Perfect. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe for more videos and check out the playlist. Thank you.